Hello store owners! Today I'm going to show you how to control exactly who can access your wholesale order form using form permissions. Here on my WordPress dashboard, I'll head to Wholesale and then Order Forms. I'll open my order form, then switch over to the Settings tab, and right at the top I'll find Form Permissions. So let's hit Edit. This page controls who gets into my form and what everyone else sees. Let's start with the Access Denied notice. I'll give it a custom title and call it Wholesale Members Only. The message below supports rich formatting, and I can even point the login URL to my own login page. Before I pick any roles, notice the Allow Public Read checkbox. It decides whether logged out visitors can see the form while the role filter is empty. Now for the star of the show, I'll open the User Role filter and allow only my Wholesale Gold members to see this form. I'm happy with everything, so I'll hit Save Changes. Now let's see what happens on the customer side. I'll log in as one of my wholesale customers, and since this account isn't in the Wholesale Gold group, the order form page now shows my custom notice instead, Wholesale Members Only, along with a link to log in with a different account. And that's how easy it is to control access to your wholesale order form with form permissions. If you have questions, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel